And the interesting part is, if you plot this type of graph, vector column graph or vector column picture, so you will see that all of these vectors lie in a plane, in a 2D plane, in 3 dimensions. Okay, you have x, y and z. You have here x, y and z coordinates. It means that the equations were 3 variable, x, y and z, but in 3 dimensions they make 2D planes. And anywhere in this region, in this plane, if I can show it like this is a plane, and any vector lying in this plane, if we have to just put a vector here, any infinite vector put here will be the solution of the original linear equation in 3 variables. So this is very cool, and I found out about this is actually very much cool. If I could just expand the coordinate system to x z7, then it would have been more clear, but this is okay.